All right, let's be real. Not everyone wants to be the face of a brand. Not everyone has a high-income skill. Some of us just want to make money while staying behind a screen. That's exactly what I'm doing. And that's what this channel is about. So today, I'm going to show you the best white label businesses you can start in 2025. Even if you're broke, introverted, or not techie at all. These aren't guru ideas. I actually researched what's working right now and what makes the most sense if you don't want to deal with people or build stuff from scratch. If you've never heard the term before, white labeling is when you sell a product or service that someone else made, but under your own brand. It's like slapping your logo on a product, setting your own price, and letting someone else do the hard part. You become the middleman. It's low risk, low cost, and you can build it quietly without being that business guy. SEO sounds complicated, but there are full white label agencies that will do all the work for you. You just offer SEO packages on your website or Fiverr, send the order to the agency, and they deliver it like it's coming from your company. Sites like DashClicks, SEO Reseller, and Vendasta make this super easy. You just handle the brand and the client. Or hire a freelancer to do that part too. Social media management is still booming. Small businesses need help, but you don't have to do it yourself. There are SMM white label dashboards like Go High Level or Sociamonials that let you resell content plans, scheduling, analytics, all under your name. It's perfect for targeting local brands who are online but have no clue what they're doing. This one slept on. Platforms like Brizy Cloud, SiteSwan, and Duda let you sell full websites as if you built them, but the platform does the heavy lifting. All you do is brand it, offer packages, and maybe use a freelancer to customize. You can literally sell websites to people who still think Wix is the best option. This one's a little niche, but it's growing fast. You offer to create courses for coaches or experts, and then use white label tools or freelancers to actually build it. Platforms like LearnWorlds or Thinkific let you rebrand course platforms as your own. AI tools can even generate most of the content now. Print on demand is not dead. You just have to be smart about it. Instead of generic quotes and designs, focus on niche stuff, like local memes, language-specific sayings, or micro-hobbies. Use Printify or Gelato, link it to Shopify or Etsy, and you never touch a single shirt. They handle everything. If there's one thing I learned after trying so many online businesses, the real money is in connecting the right people and services, not doing everything yourself. Be the brand, be the middleman, build the bridge between the customer and the solution. That's where the leverage is. If any of these ideas sound like something you could run with, don't just sit on it. Pick one and build something simple. You don't need a degree. You don't need to show your face. You just need to start. If you liked this, subscribe to The Middleman. I'll keep showing you how to build faceless businesses, use freelancers the smart way, and actually make money online without becoming someone you're not.